set up WhatsApp business account. First, you want to simply download and install the WhatsApp business application. After you've done that, you want to simply open the WhatsApp business application. After that, if you're logged in into your account previously, you'd be able to see an option which will look something like this. However, if you have never logged in into the WhatsApp business, you'd be able to enter your phone number and you'd be able to log in as well. You want to tap on agree and continue over here, and by doing so, you'd be able to enter your phone number over here. Tap on next after that, and here you want to simply click on continue. By doing so, you'd be able to enter your business name over here. After that, what you want to do is, after you've entered your business name, you want to simply tap on next over here. Select your category of business, tap on next again, and by doing so, you'd be able to add your business hours as well. Tap on next. If you want to add your profile picture, you'd be able to do so over here. However, you can also skip this process and do it later on. You can simply skip this process as well. And if you want to add your business description, you'd be able to add it over here. I'm going to skip it for now. And by doing so, a page like this will appear where it says finishing setup over here. You want to simply wait a bit over here, and by doing so, your business account will be automatically opened on WhatsApp Business. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.